Hi, my name is Akankshya Upadhyay and I am your English instructor. In today's class, we will be reading a text that is Manitoka and we'll try to solve the exercises related to it. This is in the 9th unit of our exercise book that's giving directions. Now let's begin. Let's read the text. Manitoka, a place that holds a memory. People have memories that are sparked by many situations. Places often make people remember experiences from the past. Many places hold memories for me: the river, school, hills, mountains, Tarai, etc. One particular place that reminds me of my childhood is Manichauka Bazaar in Tanahu district. Manichauka Bazaar is located near my house. It is very special to me for many reasons. I learned to enjoy the beauty of nature there. The cool streams, Naudi Khola and Paudi Khola, taught me how to swim. Trees and rocks over there taught me to climb up and down the hills. The school, Sri Tribhuvan Higher Secondary School, taught me to read and write. People living there taught me to adjust myself in a society of total harmony. This very special place is situated in the northern part of Tanahu district. It is peacefully located on the lap of Kalte and Uli Harar in Rupakot Village Development Committee. The neighboring district, Lamjung, surrounds it in the north and Sabadi Khola in the west. The beautiful green forest adds the beauty of this place. The pure natural drinking water of these streams is another feature of Manichauka. This bazaar is unique for a variety of reasons. People from different castes and religions are happily and peacefully living there. Everybody respects each other. They enjoy many different cultural programs. They respect all occupations. Professional farming has also become a part of people's living there. Not only this, emphasizing the significance of education, they have established a school and a campus in Manichauka. It has really helped people get higher education living in their homes. In addition to these facilities, people are enjoying electricity, telephones, and the internet services there. Thus, Manichauka is a place of beauty, harmony, and peace. It always reminds me how to survive and get other people to survive in the society where I live. When I see people respecting each other, it brings me back to the memory of my childhood. Additionally, it has taught me to enjoy and live in multicultural society, sharing and caring about each other's culture and religion. Now the first exercise is to read and answer. Here's the first question. What does Manichauka remind the writer of? The answer is in the last paragraph where the writer says, Manichauka is a place of beauty, harmony, and peace. It always reminds me of how to survive and get other people to survive in the society where I live. The second question is, where is it located? The answer to this question is given in the third paragraph where the writer writes, this very special place is situated in the northern part of Tanahu district. It is peacefully located on the lap of Kalte and Uliharar in Rupakot Village Development Committee. So let's write it down. Why is it unique for the writer? The answer is given right away in the fourth paragraph where the writer says, the bazaar is unique for a variety of reasons. People from different castes and religions are happily and peacefully living there. Everybody respects each other. They enjoy many different cultural programs and respect all occupations. So these are the points we need to mention as the answer to this question. So let's write it down. What has the writer learned from that place? So the answer is the writer has learned to enjoy The writer has learned to enjoy the beauty of nature, to swim, to climb up and down the hills, to read and write, and to adjust in a society of total harmony. The answer is given in the second paragraph. Next, we will read the statements given below and then state whether it is true or false. The first statement is, the writer learned to swim in Manitoka. This is true because in the second paragraph, the writer clearly mentions that he's learned to swim in the cool streams Naudi Khola and Paudi Khola. So the first statement is true. He started his schooling from there. So this statement is also true, as in the same paragraph, he writes that he mentions that his school has taught him to read and write. The third statement, only Hindus live there, is false because in the fourth paragraph, the writer mentions that people from different castes and religions are happily and peacefully living together. So this is false. People have a feeling of fraternity. So this means that people have the feeling of showing respect to each other within a group. So this is true. And the final statement, Manitoka is situated in the western part of Tanahu district, is false because it's situated in the northern part of Tanahu district. And this is mentioned in the third paragraph. And with this, we've come to the end of our exercise. I'll leave you with a homework question. And the question is to read the text again and to write down any 5 facilities that a person can enjoy there. So you can answer the question by rephrasing the third question that we answered. That's, why is it unique for the writer? The answer is very similar to that. You can say that any 5 facilities that a person can enjoy in Manitoka could be to learn about different cultures, to get education, to enjoy different cultural programs and to learn from them, get involved in different occupations, etc. So you can answer it properly once you read the text again carefully. So this is all for today's class. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or anything that you wish to share with us, please feel free to write to us at learning@deerwalk.edu.np. Thanks for watching.